Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can make Pinterest dark mode. So, the procedure is going to be somewhat similar at the iOS and Android based devices. So basically, the app itself does not have the built-in option to separately turn on the dark mode for it. So in order to, switch the Pinterest app visuals to the dark theme, you will have to change the whole color mode for the system, which you can do by going into your respective devices settings. Then enter the display and brightness category, or whatever is that called in your particular device. Usually it is just display, and set the system to the dark mode. And once you will get back to the Pinterest, as you can see, the app has followed your system theme. As I've mentioned earlier this video, it works absolutely the same on iOS and Android based devices. Alrighty, so that would be it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.